Benvenuti! Welcome to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah, and if you want to improve your Italian skill, then you will love this video. All the basic and common Italian phrases are in this video. So don't skip the video and remember these phrases and practice them in your daily routine. If you want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day. I'll post every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is Di dove sei? Di dove sei? Where are you from? Di dove sei? Where are you from? Next one is A presto. See you soon. A presto. See you soon. Next one is a dopo. See you later. A dopo. See you later. Let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is quanto costa? Quanto costa? How much does it cost? Quanto? How much? Costa? Does it cost? Next one is posso avere il conto? Posso avere il conto? Can I have the bill? Posso avere, can I have il conto, the bill. Next one is mi scusi. Mi scusi, excuse me, in the formal way. Mi scusi, if you want to formal to someone, then you can say mi scusi, excuse me. And in the informal way, you can simply say scusa, excuse me, scusa. Mi scusi is a formal way to say excuse me, and scusa is the informal way to say excuse me. If you like the video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Please everyone, make sure you remember these phrases and practice them in your daily routine. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Next one is Posso aiutarti? Posso aiutarti? Can I help you? This is the informal way to say Posso aiutarti. In the informal way, we say Posso aiutarti? Can you help me? But in the formal way, we say Posso aiutarla? Posso aiutarla? There's a difference between I and a. In the informal way, we put I in the end, and in the formal way, we put a in the end. Posso aiutarli? Posso aiutarla? Next one is mi fa male qui. It hurts here. Mi fa male qui. Qui means here and male means hurt. Next one is che bello. How nice. These phrases are simply short. You can remember them easily, okay? So make sure you can remember them today if you want, okay? Che bello, how nice. Che bello, how nice. Che brutto, how ugly. Bello, nice. Brutto, ugly. Fa freddo, it's cold. Fa freddo, it's cold. Fa caldo, it's hot. Freddo, cold. Caldo, hot. Bello, nice. Brutto, ugly. Freddo, cold. Caldo, hot. Che bello, che brutto. Fa freddo, fa caldo. Next one is Mi piace il tuo vestito. Mi piace, I like il tuo, your vestito, dress. Vestito, dress. Remember this phrase, vestito, dress. Next one is Mi piace la tua macchina. Mi piace la tua macchina. I like your car. You can remember this also, macchina, car. Vestito, dress, and macchina, car. Next one is Mi piace il tuo gatto. Mi piace, I like il tuo, your gatto, cat. Repeat after me if you want. Mi piace il tuo vestito. I like your dress. Mi piace la tua macchina. Mi piace il tuo gatto. I like your cat. Mi piace il tuo gatto. I like your cat. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. Next one is Mi piace il tuo cane. Mi piace il tuo cane. I like your dog. Cane, dog. Il tuo, your. Mi piace, I like. I like your dog. Next one is Mi piace il tuo pittura. I like your painting. Painting in Italian is pittura. Mi piace il tuo pittura. I like your painting. Next one is Mi piace il tuo libro. Book in Italian is libro. Libro. I like your book. Mi piace il tuo libro. Next one is Mi piace il tuo film. Mi piace il tuo film. I like your movie. I like your movie. Please, if you like the video, then please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrase. If you want to practice them, then you can pause the video and practice them 1 or 2 or 3 times. Then you can remember these phrases. And make sure you all remember these phrases and practice them in your daily routine. This is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian in short time. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is La tua casa è bella. La tua casa è bella. Your house is beautiful. La tua, your casa, house, è bella, is beautiful. Bella, beautiful. Now repeat after me if you want. La tua casa è bella. La tua casa è bella. Your house is beautiful. Next one is El tuo vestito è elegante. El tuo vestito è elegante. Your dress is elegant. Your dress, el tuo vestito. Elegant, elegante. Elegante. Repeat after me if you want. El tuo vestito è elegante. Your dress is elegant. Next one is El tuo giardino è ben curato. El tuo, your giardino, garden, è ben, well, curato, maintained. Curato, maintained. El tuo giardino è ben curato. Your garden is well maintained. Next phrase is El tuo libro è interessante. El tuo libro è interessante. Your book is interesting. The phrase to remember here, interessante, interesting. Interessante, interesting. Now repeat after me if you want. El tuo libro è interessante. El tuo libro è interessante. Your book is interesting. Next one is El tuo film è emozionante. El tuo film è emozionante. Your movie is exciting. Emozionante, exciting. The phrase remember here, emozionante, exciting. El tuo film è emozionante. Your movie is exciting. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. If you are a beginner to Italian, then you will love this channel. And my channel name is Language with Sarah. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is La tua energia è positiva. La tua energia è positiva. Your energy is positive. Positiva, positive. La tua, your. Energia, energy. Is. Your energy is positive. Now repeat after me if you want. La tua energia è positiva. Next one is La tua passione è evidente. La tua passione, your passion, is evidente, evident. Your passion is evident. La tua passione è evidente. Your passion is evident. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto!